Welcome to Trenchtown.
Culture
Culture
Yard
Yard as well.
and First Street.
We are on First Street, Lower First Street. So we have tours doing right now. So we are on one side of the yard itself. So this is where everything started with Bob. This is where you learn to play the guitar. This is where music write for you. And this is where you will sit and write music as well.
Okay.
So it's an experience for you guys to come out and experience a tour and go through a lot of experience with us here. It's joyful, it's musical, and it's wonderful. So come out and entertain and get the experience of everything. So the yard is wonderful as well, beautiful and calm and quiet. Sometimes we have a lot of music playing.
Okay. So you can go on in, so you can, I'll put the number down below, but you can give them a call and arrange a tour, or you can contact me. There's